Good morning. Welcome back, everybody. It's Mark. Well, what are we here to talk about today? Well, I want to talk about storage in your boat. Why we need to start staying away from canvas and bags that have fabric. And unless you're somebody that takes it in and out of the boat every single time, this is really important information. So, I forever have been toting around backpacks in the boat. A lot of storage, right? You can put different things in different pouches. It really does make sense until you get it wet and you leave stuff in your rod lockers. Rod lockers inherently become humid places. To avoid like a moldy situation in your boat, the best thing that I think that you can do is get yourself a situation where you have plastic containers that have seals that create a waterproof situation. All different sizes. I got a 3-pack at Bass Pro Shops for let's see if I can show them to you. I got a 3-pack at Bass Pro, all different sizes for about 15 bucks after these coupons right before Christmas. Cheap. Yeah, absolutely. Could you buy real expensive ones to put toilet paper and some extra fuses and some clothing in them? Yeah, you could absolutely spend $100 on Pelican cases, which I think is nuts, but do you? And what goes in all this stuff? First aid, medication. One of them holds camera gear. The other one is going to hold, I really believe, you guys, you should have a change of clothes on your boat. It doesn't have to be, you're not going to dinner. Okay, this is if you fall in and you need to get warm. Okay, pair of wool socks. I got a simple pair of sweatpants and actually an unopened hooded shirt. So that's it. You fall in the water and you get soaked. You want to get out of them clothes as fast as possible and get some dry clothes on. Okay, like I said, it's not a fashion show. This is a save your life show. So wool socks, sweatpants, sweatshirt. Get home, get to the hospital, get to the doctor, get wherever you need to be. But like I said, these things, I hold all my camera gear in them. This one little case right here holds all of my camera gear that I need on the boat. This season, I will have 3 GoPros on the boat and my iPhone. I use my iPhone for this stuff right here, but the GoPros capture all the action. So they will go in that little case. The medium case is going to hold the clothing. Think you can get it all in there? No problem. Like, go for it. Yeah. Bam. Full outfit in here. Also, what will go in here is all the warm stuff. I got hot hands. We got fishing gloves, etc. That kind of stuff will all go in that one little case. The bigger case is going to have the medical kit, all of your safety gear, your flares, apparatus to make noise. You need to have like a whistle, as well as the horn on your boat to make a racket if you need help. So all that stuff will go in the big one. Like I said, cameras in the little one. And, you know, that's it, guys. It's very simple. I believe after a lot of trial and error that I'm moving away from just bags, period, on the boat because they will mold if they get moisture around them. So I don't know if that helped anybody, but I hope you have a great day. I'll be back real soon. We got a lot of information. I can't wait to get back into the swing. Boat's back. It's just a lot going on, guys, that I will share. So have a great day. I'll see you real soon. Take it easy. All right, here. Now that we got our stuff all packed up, okay, which I'm pretending, I haven't loaded them completely up, but we're going to put them in the boat and just kind of see how they look. that's how they fit in there. I mean, they just sit in there. They don't move around a bunch. I got my butt seat. I got my throw cushion that's required. And lights and seat posts. That's all that's in here. I will throw in, like, if I'm wearing a jacket or bibs for the day or boots, that stuff goes in and out of here. And that's kind of the storage area, clothing and supplies. So I do have this little light that batteries are dead. But anyway, you guys, this is basically all I need, period. Like, to make this boat, you know, compliant with safety gear, you know, stuff to take care of yourself, clothing if you fall in the water. Also guys, boat stuff, basic hand tools to, you know, and when I say basic hand tools, maybe have a little crescent wrench, a pair of needle nose pliers, pair of regular pliers, any weird sizes that you might think you need, little metric stuff for your motor. But for the most part, I keep Allen wrenches to adjust the live scope if that comes loose. Just take that Allen wrench and tighten it up. It's all good. Usually isn't an issue, but why not just keep an Allen wrench on your boat? It's not too big. So at any rate, tools. I got a couple knives. I got a fillet knife in the box, as well as, you know, a lot of different fuses that are required on the boat. I keep about 25 fuses, and that's not just for me. You know, you run into somebody on the water that's having an issue and a fuse might fix their day. It's an easy thing. So there you go. But we'll get more into layout of the 2024 season on this boat, what's in the boat. We'll get back to that. But for today, I just wanted to talk about a cheap and easy storage solution. You know, it can save you a lot of grief and a lot of money down the road. Some of these things you don't replace all the time, and if they get destroyed, you know, that's just a cost that you didn't need to incur if you just, you know, put it in something more substantial that would not allow moisture. So anyway, have a great day. I'll see you guys real soon to talk about this. Can't wait. Have a great day. Take it easy.